Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I wanted to take you on a tour of the Couch's RV Nation facility, actually. As you can see here as we're rolling on through coming in, there are quite a few people picking up their brand new campers and getting ready to head back to whichever states they may have came from. Couch's RV Nation sells campers all over the United States. A lot of people actually come down from Canada and pick up their new campers as well, and sometimes they even come from overseas. There are also a lot of customers that like to get their campers delivered to their home or campsite because they don't have time to come pick them up, and they still save a ton of money from the folks at Couch's RV Nation. But looking at this building here on the left, you can see more people still getting ready to pull out. This building here is an 18-bay demonstration building. So when you come to pick up your camper, it is in this building, plugged in, powered up. A service tech walks you through it and teaches you all about it. Now these campers right back here, these campers are also sold campers getting ready to get loaded right back into the building at the end of the day for the next group coming. Couch's sells usually around 15 to 20 campers a day. This is a very busy place that sells a lot of campers. They're typically the #1 dealer in the country. They also have a wash bay that's indoors and everything, so your camper gets washed, goes over to their 30-bay service facility to get PDI prepped, and then moved into the 18-bay demonstration building. We're going to take a few minutes here, though. I want to run you around the inside of some of the facility as well, and really just kind of show you what this place is all about. So we will be right back on the inside. All right, stepping up inside the Couch's RV Nation facility here, there is going to be kind of a little meet and greet area right here. So you should be able to just walk up into here, tell the person sitting here that you are here to pick up your new camper or here to shop for a new camper. Just kind of give her your name and info there, and she will get you started. Just kind of looking around in here real quick, you know, there is a little seating area over there and a small parts store right here up in this section of the facility. So it gives you a little something to look around at while you're waiting for your service tech to possibly come up and get you to do your demonstration, or for your salesperson to come out and get you and take you out and show you some units. Now, if you have drove a long way and you need to hit the restroom real quick, it is right over here, just inside this area. Also a couple drinking fountains right there. And there's also some brochures and stuff over here in case you need some more information. Now you're going to go through this doorway right here. And immediately on the left is a little break room and another men's restroom. On the right is another seating area with some TVs and stuff where the kiddos could maybe watch some TV while you're waiting. But back here in this section, this is the 18-bay demonstration facility right here. So when you are coming to pick up your new RV, it is going to be in this building, plugged in, opened up, powered up. The service technician is going to bring you in here and basically walk you through your RV. So that's pretty nice. You're in a building out of the rain, out of the snow, out of the sun kind of scenario. So your experience hopefully picking up is going to be a little bit nicer than what you might get at most RV dealerships. But just back in this area, in the very back is a wash bay behind that man door right there. So your unit, again, is going to get washed first, and then it gets brought over to this 30-bay service facility we're getting ready to walk to. It's going to get all of its PDI done. This is also where you would bring your camper back if you're local to get any type of service and warranty work done as well. There's a second entrance driveway back behind this area where you would come in and do all of that type of work and meet and greet, you know, that service writer and all that type of stuff. Now, for you folks calling in from out of state that got your RV, this is also where your warranty representative works out of here. So when you call back in, they're going to be back here in this facility with the service people to kind of get you helped out on that too. Now let's take a quick aerial shot Now you can see right here, there is a lot of units on the ground. They usually have somewhere around 500 new RVs in stock for you to kind of walk through, inspect, check out, shop from, purchase, whatever. They have travel trailers, fifth wheels, park models, teardrop stuff, Class C motorhomes, but a lot of units for you to kind of look through. And they even have an area where on their website where you can actually build and price out each individual brand model and pick from the available factory options to kind of custom order what you might actually want, where a lot of RV dealers do not do that type of stuff. You either buy what they have or you don't buy from them at all. So I do give them kudos for being willing to actually order things for their customers also. Now, just back down here on the ground, kind of spinning around, you can see here on the left side the amount of campers and stuff. They try to keep it somewhat organized. So, like there's a section of park models here on the left. And then you're going to have a whole row of like Salem travel trailers and Coachman travel trailers. And then you'll get over to, say, like the fifth wheel section and the motorhome section and toy hauler section. So they kind of break up the lot a little bit in individual sections and by brands also. So when you are out here kicking tires and shopping around, you can kind of go to the area you want and not have to necessarily hike back and forth across the whole facility just to be able to see a few different models and stuff. So I do like how they kind of set that up too. Now, again, just kind of peeking back inside here, you can see more units right here that are getting ready to be picked up by people. Again, when you do come to pick up, and they will send you around with your truck as well so that you can back up and pull out of the building and everything. They'll help you get hooked up and all that type of stuff. Now, when you pull out of the building back here, you are going to come up here to the exit way, and just off to the left right here, they have kind of a little pull-off area where you would basically drive on up here, pull off to the left here, and park your unit, and then be able to walk back inside and finish up all your paperwork and everything like that. Again, stop in, use the restroom, grab a drink, whatever, before you go back to do all your final paperwork. So overall, a pretty impressive complex here. And as you notice as we've walked around here, everything is on blacktop or concrete. Again, so your unit is not sitting around out in some muddy cornfield somewhere or something. So I'm pretty impressed with the structure and facility of this place. Now, once you're done parking over there off to the side, you're going to come on back in here and basically come into the dealership and let the person at the counter know that you're all done with your demonstration and everything, and you're ready for your paperwork. So they'll go back and get one of the finance people to come out and get you, and they're going to take you back here to the finance area. So I just want to show you what this kind of looks like so you're familiar with this. It's basically a long hallway, a bunch of finance offices here on the left as they have multiple finance people. And then you got a conference room on the right and a couple more offices on the right as well. But they're going to bring you back into one of these offices. You're going to sit back here, do all your paperwork with them, and they'll kind of go over products and all the ins and outs of that type of stuff. Now, just kind of cutting through here, I want to show you where your salesperson actually works at also. And this is kind of a boiler room kind of area, I guess you'd say. But it is where your salesperson kind of works from and makes all the phone calls to you and emails to you and everything, and helps you in your learning process of purchasing a camper and saving thousands of dollars with Couch's RV Nation. Thank you guys again for taking the time to hang in there with me and check out a tour of the Couch's RV Nation store. You can check them out, couchesrvnation.com. Thanks again.